to sprout the whole moong, and making a salad using that sprouted moong. For making this, we have to take the required amount of moong and wash it thoroughly and soak this, like if you're taking 1 cup of moong, soak this with 3 cups of water and soak it overnight. I have this soaked moong ready. First we have to drain the water using this strainer like this, and take out all the water. Leave this soaked moong in that strainer itself and keep it above an empty bowl like this, and cover this with a plate and keep it in a warm place like near the stove. Leave it for 8 to 10 hours or 24 hours sometimes, depending on the warmth in that room. Now I have this sprouted moong ready. It took around like 20 hours. This is how I normally sprout this moong. The other method is you can tie it in a clean cloth and put something heavy on top of it. Then also you'll get the sprouts. Now we have this sprouted moong ready. Let us make the salad. I'm showing here for 1 cup of sprouted moong. So for that you have to soak half cup of the moong, and then you will get almost 1 cup of sprouted ones. Around half cup of cucumbers, chopped cucumbers, half cup of grated carrot. You can add any seasonal fruits like apple, persimmons, guava, or even the pomegranates. I am using 1/4 cup of pomegranate here. 1/4 cup of grated coconut. Little finely chopped coriander leaves. For seasoning, 2 teaspoons of oil, little bit of asafoetida or hing, around half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of mustard seeds. I am using 2 green chilies here. You can use 1 or you can skip it. Take this sprouted moong in a big bowl. To that add grated carrots, cucumbers and the coconut, also the salt, and mix it. Now to this add chopped cilantro. Finally the seasoning. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add mustard seeds. Once it pops, add the chopped green chilies, and now turn off the heat and add this seasoning to the salad. So mix it thoroughly, and finally we are going to add the fruit, the pomegranate. After you mix this, if you like, you can squeeze some lemon juice. Now you know how to sprout this moong. You can store this maximum 2 days in the refrigerator. After that it will lose its taste and even the nutrients. So it's better to use within 2 days. You can make dosa by adding a little ginger, then some jeera and chilies, grind it and make dosa. Or you can use this for usli or sundal. As I showed you, you can make this tasty salad. You can add seasonal fruits to this, like if it is apple season, you can chop the apple and add it, or you can add guava, it will be tasty. Or you can make it simple, you can add just carrots or just cucumber. So it's your choice, you can add anything you want and make it tastier for you. I hope you enjoy making this. For more recipes, please visit our website at foodandremedy.com. Thank you.